Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series part 30. Now let's discuss about OOPS concept. In Java, everything is represented as an object. This type of feature is known as truly object-oriented programming language. What is an object? Object is a real world entity like a pen, pencil, chair, table, etc. So what is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming is a methodology to design a program or software. It simplifies the software development and maintenance by providing some concepts. What are the concepts? Object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. In this session, we will discuss about object, class and encapsulation. First we will discuss what is class. A class is a template or blueprint from which only we can create the object. I hope you all understand what is object and what is object-oriented programming system and why we need object-oriented programming system and what are the concepts involved in OOPS. So what is object? Object is nothing but the real world entity like pen, pencil, table, chair, etc. What is object-oriented programming system? Object-oriented programming system is nothing but the methodology to design a software or program. Why we need? If we implement this type of object-oriented programming in our project or program means it simplifies the development and maintenance with the help of some concepts like class, object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction. So in this session we will discuss about only what is class and what is object and what is encapsulation. So class is defined as a template or blueprint from which only we can create the object. So what is object? Objects have states and behaviors. Let's take a real-time example. Dog is the object. So a dog has states as well as behaviors. States like a color, name, breed, etc. Behaviors like barking, eating, sleeping, etc. A class can contain many methods. We already know methods contains the set of instructions that perform a particular task. So inside of the class we create the variables and methods. So from the class we can create number of objects. And encapsulation. So what is the definition for encapsulation? A class is a way to bind the data and its associated functions together in a single unit. This process is called the encapsulation. So what is the best example for encapsulation? Class is the best example for encapsulation. Inside the class we create the variables. Field or variable, both are same. Method or function, both are same. So inside the class we create the variables as well as the methods. So what is the syntax to create the class? Class is the keyword and then space and the name of the class, and inside the curly braces we create the variables and methods. Now let's see this example. Here I have created the class. This is the name of the class. The file name should be same as the class name. And inside this class I have created two variables, id and name. Id data type is integer, name data type is string. And here the main method. And here I have created the object. So what is it? S1 is the name of the object for this class. New keyword. We already know about the new keyword. This keyword is used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program. That is, at runtime only the memory will be allocated for this S1 object. And here I want to access the ID and name. How can I do? I can use this object for this class. Okay, so with the help of this object, I can call these variables ID and name. Okay, s1.id returns 10 and s1.name returns raw. Okay, so here inside this class, I have created the main method. Okay, so now let me execute this one. Here 10 and ROM is printed. Now I want to create this main outside of this class. Is it possible? Possible. So here I have created the main method outside of this class. Okay, so here I have created two classes. So which one is the name of the file? The name of the file should be same as the name of the class, but that class contains the main method. This student is one of the class and this is the second class. So in this example, I have created the object, but this object is created inside the same class, isn't it? So this is the name of the class. So here I have created the object for the same class, but here I have created the object for student. This is outside of this class. Okay, but inside this class only I have the main method. So my file name must be this class only, because this class only contains the main method. Here I have created the object for the student. Okay, and this main is created outside of the student class. This main is inside of the another class. Okay, but I can create the object for this student. I can access the variables also through this object. Okay, so this student is the name of the class and this is the object of this student class, and new keyword is used to create the memory for this S1, that is this object during the execution of the program, and this is the name of the class. Okay, and here I want to access the ID and name from this student class. How can I do? With the help of this object, I can access the variables from the student class. Okay, so s1.id returns 10 and s1.name returns raw. Okay, let me execute this one. Here I got the output. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.